guys, you are welcome once again over here. So we went to the airport and we've now moved from the airport and we want to, explore around the airport. I want to show you guys places or areas around the airport. So if you've never been here before, or if you've never seen the airport before and you're in Ghana, then this video is in for you. Yes, this is more than an excursion. You get me? It is more than an excursion, bro. So this is the Marurui building, and we also have the mall over there, but we are going to move to this side. So guys, stay tuned whilst we explore around. So this is the Okada guys around. So whenever you want to go to a certain destination, they are going to help you out with it. And right now the time is 1 p.m. So this is the Nyari Custom Laboratory. Let's move on whilst we explore around. And that's the airport. So that's it. I don't know the reason why these guys are rushing the private cars. Okay, so when a private car park, they try their best to assist the person who wants to alight to his or her destination. So they are Okada guys. So if you don't know what Okada means, Okada riders are, motor riders. Do you get me? They are what they say. So they've written airport lands, no livestock allowed. That's what they've written over here. So let's keep on walking. So hope you guys have seen this place, right? So just keep on watching the video. Danger, workers entrance and exit of vehicles. So we are still on the airport street. So that's the marriage building. It's so far, but we're gonna get close to that place. Even if we couldn't get close to that place in this video, I'm going to do a different video to shoot that place. So that's the reason why you have to subscribe, so that you get notified when I take videos around different places. Spintex only. This place is so quiet and so calm, and as you can see, someone has really slept. Yeah, he's gone, bro. He has sleep over there. To cross the street. What is this? Let's get close to this thing. So that is a relaxing chair. So we have a number on it that you can contact to purchase it. So that's the Hajj Villa ahead is. So it's so far. So guys, we are going to end this video over here. You know, that is airport area. I mean, all this land belongs to the airport company. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends.